The orgy bugs are back, and what's odd is in 20 years I've only ever seen them come out in summer, and they usually only ever come out when it's sunny. And now the orgy bugs are out. Now look, I could upload myself onto the internet masturbating if you really want to see what I do. But under Australian law, uploading is illegal, where downloading isn't. Only even if you watch a streaming video, copyright violation, that's an offence to the banker where they can only fine you. And so we got these orgy bugs here, and this is for everyone to see how the universe communicates to me.